How to make felt feathers. You'll need some scraps of felt. Here I have pieces of flat fur felt, wool felt, and synthetic felt. The millinery wire and braided round cord are optional. Fold a scrap so that you maximize the length of the fold, and then stitch it about 3 or 4 millimeters from the edge. For added stability, you can fold the felt around either the millinery wire or the round braided cord, but don't forget to switch to a zipper foot before stitching. This is how your felt scraps should look before cutting. Imagine the stitched fold is the quill and cut away the felt scrap into the shape of a feather. Here's how they look at this point. You could use them as trim, just like this. Using an iron, gently steam open the feather shape. Here's how they look now. Again, you could use them at this point as trim. The same technique can be used with green felt or autumn colors to create leaves. I'm stopping here with these 3 feathers. The one at left has a millinery wire in the quill. You can clip into the vein of the feather to create flues. These 4 have been clipped uniformly for texture, but you could also cut into it irregularly for a stylized look. These 2 feathers have round braided cord in the quill. It's not as stiff as millinery wire, but it does impart some control. This feather has millinery wire in the quill. Notice how rigid it is. You can also twist the felt around the wire for a spiral effect. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notification of new content, and join me every Thursday afternoon at 3 p.m. Eastern for live studio stream.